he is one that turned honest. Right. He opened up about his past and his mom. He also gave away stuff in his suitcase.
So let me talk about that.
Also, man.
Can we talk a little bit more? I know I'm gonna facilitate a little bit. Wait, what Mom said about him giving his stuff away in his suitcase. I think that's a really important topic to discuss. So can we continue discussing that? About him together. You don't raise your hand, just talk in the group.
Alright, look. So you know when they put him in the shed, he didn't want nobody. He didn't want nobody to let nobody use his suitcase. And he finally gave it up to somebody that he didn't know he was related to. He let them look through it, even though.
Sorry
You can go.
because Bud knew that Harvey Holloway
Knew
that he was his grandpa, and
he knew that was
he just gave him the rocks that he was giving his daughter, like from everything that they would just. He would collect.
Can I put in just a question? You guys are doing a really good job here. What do you think? We knew that the items in the suitcase have been very significant. You talked about that, how he didn't want anyone touching it, looking at it. What do you think the significance is? What does that show about Bud's change? That he is now giving away, he's parting with some of those items in his suitcase. Can you guys talk about that? What does that show about Bud's change?
One of the scariest things that he wanted to do is probably give away his suitcase. And he finally did it.
To let go of it.
Oh! He always said, I think in chapter 4, he said he never gave nobody a suitcase.
Oh yeah, because the things that were in his suitcase were personal.
So what can we say about Bud's change since now he is willing to part ways with these items?
Did something that he was probably scared of. That he didn't want nobody to do.
What is he realizing?
That
it means more to his grandfather because it's because the daughter left. Bud's mom, she left because the grandfather, Emily Calloway, was too strict on her. That's what I heard. And I got a quote that, that's not a quote, but you know how the mom said when the door closes?
Oh, you talking about that mother to son?
Yeah. So when the door closes, open another door.
Another door opens.
Yeah.
Well, some doors open, so you're gonna have to open that. I can.
He's going.
Hold on, let's prepare finish this thought real fast.
I got a thing to add to that. It's the same thing, but when a door opened because he met his family members, his grandfather, and a door closed because it was not his dad.
Okay.
Well, I got something add on.
You guys talk to each other.
I can add on with you, Carol, because he also wrote and said I think he said I thought that being Brian, I don't know, big stomach.
Oh, his stomach was big.
Yeah, he said that.
Skinny legs, skinny tone, leave me alone.
He a steak.
That's blood, bro.
Skinny tone, leave me alone.
He was kind of relieved that he was his dad.
That's true.
Okay, I got some Alex.
Grateful.
I got some Alex. My co-palate, whatever. He has that more hard working thing.
Say it nice and loud.
I can't. He was sharing.
Can we start?
I can't understand her handwriting. Is that what you say? I can't understand it.
That's what Alex can say.
Yada.
I don't understand. He has got more hard working through the chapters. And over through his years after his mother has died, relieve the grief.
All right, now you guys, these are really great thoughts. So I think timing. That we're gonna debrief for a minute. Something I want you all had a lot of good points that I think will help you write your introductions tomorrow.
Well, what introduction?
Something I want us to understand that I think we talked in the other classes a little bit more about is at the end of the book, Bud realizes he doesn't necessarily need the picture of his mom or the items in his suitcase, because where does he say his mom is now?
In his heart.
In his heart.
But remember when the Rooney souvenir, he kept one of them.
He did. You're right. Remember. Okay. Here's what I'd like you to do. Turn back to handout 15A, and I want you to answer number 2. Did you reach your goal? So right now, take a couple minutes, turn to 15A.
Wait.